This is a 7.5 foot pre-lit Twinkly quick set Christmas tree. We're gonna open it up. The top, the base, this must be the bottom, and then the middle. Gonna put the base in. And then there's, this opens up, and then you put the second part in there. The branches all just slide open down on the top of the tree. So what happens now if you plug it in? Okay, so it didn't take long at all to set the tree up. Now we're gonna plug it in. And voila, it's a very colorful, pretty tree. So it has a bunch of different settings. He's running through them. You can do like pinks and reds, or it'll run through every color, slowly light up the tree. Blue. Red. And then it can do all different colors. Click it again. Kind of, this one is a twinkle, where it's twinkling. Okay, do it again. I love this tree. And this is, we haven't even fluffed out the branches and it looks that nice. So really it's just a really pretty light show the whole time.